All right, here's a look at these walnut wooden hangers. Now, I really like these because of the design. So if you take a look at it, you can see from the top view, they go from being a skinny hanger out to a wide hanger. And this is for a suit jacket. So if you've got a blazer like this, it's gonna be nice because it's gonna fit right on the shoulder pads. Or if you have something heavy and large like this North Face jacket, it just adds a lot more surface area for it to hold on. And this design really helps for things not to slide off. You can see here, I even have it on a t-shirt, or if you wanted to even use it for something like a tank top like this, it's nice because the tank top will fit right here and then it won't slide off of the side. Then down here at the bottom, it's got this ribbed PVC rubber piece, which is nice because if you've got a pair of pants like this and you wiggle it around, if you had a regular pair of like silk pants on here, and if this was just wood, it would slide off really easily. So I like the fact that they put that PVC piece on here. It's really gonna hold everything in place and you don't have to worry about your pants falling down. Now we're trying to go for a more sophisticated look here in our closet. Obviously these old hangers are definitely not cutting it. They're cheap little plastic hangers and these are really easy to snap. So if I've got something heavy on it like a jacket, then I end up snapping the neck of these and I'm end up throwing them away. And it's just, I'm getting tired of using these ugly old hangers. So we decided to go with these wooden ones, which look a lot more premium and they're nice and heavy and sturdy. So regardless of how heavy of a jacket or jacket and pants combo that you're going to put on this, I have pretty good confidence that this is not going to snap or break. Now, if you didn't want to use this rubber piece down at the bottom, you could unscrew it right there and then pop the rubber piece off. So if you just don't like the look of it, maybe, then you could take that off. But I would just honestly leave it on in case I needed to use it for a pair of pants. And you could tell on my left here, everything, these are all plastic, they look ugly. And then over here on the right side, we've got the nice wooden hangers. Again, we're going to remove this wire rack here and we're going to install a wooden wardrobe inside of here. So we'll match this up with the same color. So we'll do like a dark walnut on that, the dark walnut on the cabinetry, and that's going to look really nice in here. So if you're looking to upgrade your closet, one of the first things to start with is going to be hangers. And I would definitely recommend picking these ones up.